Welcome graduands, your friends and families to the College of Law's virtual graduation ceremony. My name is Lewis Patrick and I'm the College's Chief Academic Officer and Chair of the Academic Board. I acknowledge the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation from whose traditional land we are broadcasting this event. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging, and also to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples who may be viewing our ceremony today. In usual circumstances, we would be welcoming you all and your special guests to Parliament House in New South Wales for this significant occasion in your lives as graduands. Your award would be conferred on the stage, there would be photo opportunities, a celebration and the chance to meet your peers. However, at the time of planning this autumn graduation, there was still an amount of uncertainty around the safety of delivering a face-to-face event. Nevertheless, we trust this virtual ceremony will provide fitting acknowledgement of some outstanding academic achievements in our postgraduate programs. Today we proudly acknowledge two significant milestones for the College. We celebrate graduands for the first time from our Masters of Legal Business program and also our first graduands from the Masters program delivered by our New Zealand colleagues. The Master of Legal Business program was launched by the College in August 2019. The program develops the commercial acumen and technological capability of those working in the legal sector. By developing capability in these areas, the program supports legal professionals to confidently navigate their way through a profession being disrupted by technology, emerging new competitors, and changing client and stakeholder expectations. Learning in the program is facilitated by industry experts with specific and contemporary experience. Today we congratulate Alexandra Brand, Elizabeth Chase and Joel Spratt, who are being awarded the Graduate Certificate in Legal Business, and Fiona McClay being awarded the Graduate Diploma of Legal Business. The Master of Laws Applied Law New Zealand is a postgraduate program specifically for New Zealand practitioners. The subjects are developed and taught by New Zealand practitioners, each experienced specialists in their respective areas of practice. The program is designed to assist students in mastering their specialisation or accelerating their learning in a new area of practice. Launched in New Zealand in 2019, today we have the first two New Zealand students receiving their qualification. Congratulations to Anna Gillan and Vaughan Summerton on their achievement. Today, we also celebrate graduands from our postgraduate specialisation programs. These programs are a unique concept in postgraduate legal education in that they cater specifically to practising lawyers and focus on specialised legal and professional practice. The suite of programs includes Master of Applied Law Family Law, Master of Laws Applied Law with Specialist Majors, Graduate Diploma of Applied Law, Graduate Certificate in Applied Law, Graduate Diploma of Family Dispute Resolution Practice, and Graduate Certificate in Applied Law, ASEAN +6 Cross-Border Legal Practice. Each program is developed by and for practitioners and focuses on developing technical and practical proficiency through innovative problem-based learning. The College is grateful for the support of the experienced legal professionals who serve as subject matter experts and lecturers in these programs. We thank you for your passion and your professionalism. As well as celebrating the achievements of our graduands, we also celebrate the people who have supported them on their journey. Behind every graduand is a story of support from family and friends. We acknowledge and thank you all. Our graduands have dedicated several years to completing their studies, often while managing busy legal practices and fulfilling other pressing commitments. It has been a particular accomplishment this year to have been able to complete their studies in the strange and challenging circumstances of COVID-19. We congratulate you all on your adaptability, resilience and commitment to lifelong learning, a subject that will be addressed by our guest speaker. Today we welcome all graduands to the College's large and thriving alumni community and our Masters graduands as Graduate Fellows of the College. We look forward to continued partnership with you over the course of your career and wish you every success in your chosen path. It now gives me great pleasure to welcome our special guest, Sonia Stewart, the the CEO of the Law Society of New South Wales. Sonia was appointed Chief Executive Officer of the Law Society of New South Wales in 2020. She was a Deputy Secretary within the New South Wales Department of Premier and Cabinet, and prior to that, a Deputy Commissioner of the New South Wales Public Service Commission. Most recently, she was the Interim Chief Executive Officer of Arilla Consulting, a joint venture with KPMG. Ms. Stewart has extensive senior leadership experience across state and Commonwealth governments, the legal profession, academia, and the not-for-profit sector. She has a wealth of experience leading policy and regulatory programs, well-honed strategic and stakeholder management skills, and a deep knowledge of the regulatory framework, all of which is underpinned by a genuine commitment to a just and accessible legal system. Ms. Stewart, herself a proud Yuin woman, is also the chair of the Goods O'Loughlin Foundation, which aims to improve educational outcomes for Indigenous youth.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonia Stewart, and as the CEO of the Law Society of New South Wales, it's my pleasure to deliver today's College of Law occasional address. Before I begin, and as a Yuin woman, I acknowledge the traditional custodians on the lands on which the College of Law stands, the Camaragal of the Eora Nation, and pay my deepest respects to country and for those that have cared for it for over 60,000 years. Congratulations to you all. I'm delighted to be sending you this message, celebrating your graduation, acknowledging your academic achievement, and wishing you very well on your next steps. You should be very proud of what you have achieved, and even more so that you have achieved it during a global pandemic. The Master's Program at the College of Law reflects the legal profession's deep commitment to lifelong learning. For solicitors, lifelong learning is about more than CPD requirements. It is about the cultivation of curiosity and remaining open-minded and agile, often over many decades. At our core, lawyers are problem solvers. No doubt you have had to solve many problems to reach where you are today. For some students, this included transitioning to online classes at the height of the pandemic. It might be tempting to see these disruptions as a distraction from your coursework. However, the ability to solve problems, to negotiate the unexpected, is one of the most important skills that you can develop. The degree you graduate with today is not for you alone. The College of Law prides itself on real-world applicability of their courses, which have been designed by and for legal practitioners. Everything you have learned has been crafted to help you better serve your clients outside of the classroom. Ours is a profession defined by service. As the CEO of the Law Society, it is a great honour to lead an organisation that has consistently defended the rights of all people. In doing so, I'm both the first woman and the first Indigenous person to hold this role. As a Yuin woman, I am part of the world's oldest surviving culture. This has encouraged me to think long and deeply about legacy, about the impact we can make in the relatively short period of time we are here. I have approached my career from this perspective. I always try to leave things better off than how I find them, individuals, communities, organisations and places, and I also start each day with the openness to learn something new. I know this will resonate with you. Whether you're in your first 5 years of practice and looking to kickstart your legal career, or you're an established lawyer looking to grow into a new practice area, you share a commitment to lifelong learning and developing yourselves as legal practitioners, and therefore being able to better serve your communities. This aspiration, laudable though it is, doesn't guarantee smooth sailing. As lawyers, you will face many challenges. The first few years of practice can be particularly challenging, so resilience is important. Resilience is about keeping things in perspective and being open to the lessons often learned through failure. To be a good lawyer, you need to refine your instinct and judgment. But the refinement process occurs mostly outside of the classroom, where the risk of failure is high and the consequences can be significant. Juliana Warner, the President of the Law Society of New South Wales, said the best piece of advice she ever received was from a Japanese proverb: fall down 7 times, get up 8. Failure is a key part of the learning process, but it is not always pleasant. And it helps to have a community of supporters around you to help you get back up. Investing in relationships is fundamental to building resilience. Friends, family and colleagues all have a unique way of helping us keep things in perspective. And a true diversity of opinions can help us learn the right lessons from our failures and prevent us from making the same mistakes in the future. I invite you to look back at your academic experience and to value not only your degree, but also all the relationships that you have formed and the networks you've built along the way. I would like to conclude today with an invitation. Please see the Law Society of New South Wales as a potential member of your own support network. From our earliest days, the Law Society has existed to serve the profession. We trace our origins back to 1842, when a small group of solicitors came together to, and I quote, promote good feeling and fair practice among the members of the profession. By joining the Law Society, you become part of the community of almost 36,000 members whose well-being and success are our priorities. All of our services and programs have been designed to help you not only survive, but thrive in the law. This includes the Solicitors Outreach Service, which provides New South Wales solicitors with up to 3 sessions with the qualified psychologist each financial year at no cost, to the exclusive discounts and benefits in our membership benefits program, or our fantastic program of events and ever-growing CPD library. We also have 20 policy and practice committees, including committees for criminal, family, business and employment law, and 6 regulatory committees to help amplify the voice of the profession and ensure a just legal system. Together we can continue to serve both the client and court, and through the proper administration of justice, leave things better off than how we found them. On behalf of everyone at the Law Society of New South Wales, huge congratulations on graduating. I wish you all the very best for your futures. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia, for your very apt words, encouraging commitment to learning and to the profession, and inspiring our graduates with your experience and wisdom. We have now reached the very important part of the celebration, where we confer the academic awards. On the 1st of June 2021, by the authority vested in the College of Law under the Higher Education Act, and also on behalf of the College's Board of Governors and Academic Board, I conferred the following awards. Master of Applied Law, Family Law, Master of Laws, Applied Law without a major, Master of Laws, Applied Law with a single or double major in the following practice areas: ASEAN +6 cross-border legal practice, business law and transactions, commercial litigation, dispute resolution, estate planning, family dispute resolution practice, family law, government and public sector law, in-house practice, property law, wills and estates, wills, estates and trusts. Graduate Diploma of Applied Law and also Graduate Diploma of Applied Law in the following practice areas: commercial litigation, family law, wills and estates. Graduate Diploma of Family Dispute Resolution Practice. Graduate Certificate in Applied Law. Graduate Certificate in Applied Law, ASEAN +6 cross-border legal practice. Graduate Certificate in Applied Law, Government and Public Sector Law. Graduate Diploma of Legal Business. Graduate Certificate in Legal Business. Congratulations and all the best in your career to all of our graduates. Today, it's also my pleasure to announce a special award, the College Award, which is awarded annually to the member of college staff who has made the most significant contribution to the academic mission of the college. I'm delighted to announce that the winner of the College Award 2020 is Susan Carr-Gregg, the college's Director of Teaching and Learning. The award has been made to Susan in recognition of her outstanding work in leading a major teaching and learning renewal project. This project is addressing the student learning experience across all our programs, with a particular focus on student-centred design and optimal use of education technology. Congratulations, Susan. I now invite Susan, as Director of Teaching and Learning, to present special prizes in the practice areas of family dispute resolution, family law, wills and estates, commercial litigation, and in our practical legal training program. The college created these special prizes in conjunction with the sponsors to honour the outstanding results of students who excelled in each of these programs.
Thank you, Lewis. We would like to honour the winner of the Best Graduating Student Prize in the Commercial Litigation Program, sponsored by SRM Lawyers. SRM Lawyers is a specialist insolvency and commercial litigation firm in Sydney that provides innovative and effective legal advice to financial institutions, insolvency practitioners, corporate and private clients. The College of Law is truly honoured to have an esteemed firm such as SRM Lawyers supporting our Best Graduating Student Prize. The winner of the SRM Lawyers Best Graduating Master's Student Prize in the Commercial Litigation Program is Dominic Mayo. We will now honour the winner of the prize for the Best Graduating Student Prize in the Graduate Diploma of Family Dispute Resolution Practice, sponsored by Barry Nielsen. Barry Nielsen is an award-winning national law firm with a reputation for leadership in the areas of insurance and health law, family law and wills and estates. For more than 50 years, Barry Nielsen's family law and wills and estate practice has resolved complex issues for clients living in Australia and overseas who are experiencing relationship breakdown or changes in their family circumstances. Their dedicated family law team includes experts with significant experience in providing tailored solutions designed to meet their clients' needs. Barry Nielsen has received a raft of technical and individual accolades in the prestigious Doyle's Guide and Best Lawyers, including First Tier Family and Divorce Law. The winner of Barry Nielsen Best Graduating Student Prize in Graduate Diploma of Family Dispute Resolution is Josephine Burns Luna. The Paul and Paul Sandra Paul Memorial Prize for Best Graduating Master's Student in the Family Law Program has been generously donated by Paul and Paul Lawyers in the name of the late Sandra Paul, a well-known and respected family lawyer. Sandra Paul was admitted to practice in 1984 after obtaining a Bachelor of Arts and a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of New South Wales. She worked principally in family law, first as a senior associate at law firm Clayton Utz, before commencing a partnership practice with the firm Briggs Paul, later becoming Briggs Paul Darling, and then to the present day Paul and Paul Lawyers. Sandra was known for her dedication to the law and her commitment to family law. The winner of the Sandra Paul Memorial Prize, Best Graduating Master's Student Prize in the Family Law Program is Ashley Wachtel. I would like to take this opportunity to award the De Groot's Best Graduating Student in the Wills and Estates Program, sponsored by De Groot Wills and Estate Lawyers. De Groot's is a specialist law firm established in 1986 that focuses exclusively on the areas of estate planning, estate administration and estate litigation. With lawyers in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane, they provide services to private clients throughout Australia and overseas. It is a great privilege to have a specialist firm such as De Groot's supporting outstanding academic success. The winner of the De Groot's Best Graduating Master's Prize in the Wills and Estates Program is Sian Oj. We would like to also use this opportunity to award the Law Society of New South Wales Prize for highest achievement in ethics and professional responsibility. The winner of the Law Society of New South Wales Prize for the highest achievement in ethics and professional responsibility in the PLT program is Jessica Fonte. For the first time this year, we are also pleased to announce a new sponsor partnership with Gaydon Lawyers to recognise the achievements for overall excellence in the PLT program in both New South Wales and Victoria. Gaydon's is a leading Australian law firm with offices located in Adelaide, Brisbane, Melbourne, Perth and Sydney. The firm's history dates back to 1847. The firm's vision is to be a preeminent independent firm renowned for providing outstanding client service, innovative solutions and value. The core values are the firm's foundation and reflect the essence and character of the firm. One of these values is excellence, and as such we are proud to sponsor the Gaydens Prize for Overall Excellence. The Gaydens Prize for Overall Excellence in the New South Wales PLT program is awarded to Louise Matthews. The Gaydens Prize for Overall Excellence in the Victorian PLT program is awarded to Rochelle Rashi. Gaydens congratulates the two winners for their significant achievement. Thank you, Lewis.
On behalf of the College, we congratulate all graduates from this autumn graduation ceremony and the award winners on their achievements and remarkable academic growth. A special thank you to our guest speaker, Sonia Stewart, for her time and her insightful speech. We welcome our graduates as College of Law alumni and acknowledge that the graduates of the Master's programs have been admitted as Graduate Fellows of the College of Law. We wish you continued success with each of your careers. Thank you.